Additional room for growing families in Union City. Do you ever find yourself wishing you had just a little bit more space in your home? Maybe you could use an extra bedroom for guests, or a home office to get some peace and quiet while you work. Or maybe you just want a little more storage space to keep your house tidy. Whatever the reason, if you have some extra space in your home, there's no need to let it go to waste. With a little bit of construction and remodeling, you can easily turn that extra space into a new room that suits your needs. Of course, before you start tearing down walls and moving furniture around, it's important to have a plan. You'll need to decide on the purpose of the new room, and what kind of design and style will suit it. Once you have a clear vision for the project, you can start making it a reality. With some careful planning and execution, you'll soon have the perfect new addition to your home. Construction and remodeling can be a daunting task, but our team at Construction Company is here to help ease your burden. We work hand in hand with our clients to achieve their desired goal for their extra room. We always meet the expectations of our clients and guarantee satisfaction with the final product. Our team specializes in construction, remodeling, design, and style. We're located in Hayward but serve Union City as well. Construction Company is committed to providing quality service and professionalism. Contact us today to get started on your construction project.